Welcome back. Lam Research up more than 40% this year. And one Wall Street analyst says it has a lot more room to go. Stock got upgraded today at B. Riley FBR. It's our call of the day. All right, I look at this thing and you're like, okay, the stock's had this huge move. And now the analyst says, okay, buy it. I mean, it's an easy criticism to make. However, the analyst does say, straight up, we missed a powerful year-to-date move. Despite a positive sector stance, but see 4 items left that can continue to drive the stock. They say the signs of a bottom are more visible. So without attacking the call itself, for someone who's admitted missing it, does it really have more room to run, or is this emblematic of one of these chip names, which have just gone up so much that it's time to maybe think the other way, Doc?
I would not be thinking the other way just yet. We've had extraordinary amounts of upside call activity in this one since the middle of March, Judge. So it was already up pretty substantially at that time as it flew through 180.
40% in 3 months.
Yeah.
You buy it now?
I am not in this name right now.
Would you buy it now?
Because the calls that they were buying expired and we haven't seen new speculative paper come in. So for that reason, I've stayed on the sidelines. I think the analyst makes a nice case for why it could go higher from here, though.
It's a little different than the microns because they're on the equipment side. So if they're looking to, to continue to make these things smaller and make, capacity greater, then you want to own it if that's the next step in a cycle. I'd actually rather own the equipment makers at this point than the chips, where there's still so much capacity. So you still have to innovate. So that's what they do. Look, I have no problems with changing your mind if stock is up quite a bit. I've done it before, and I've sold after stocks are down a lot. But
sure, that's I don't want to take the easy way out.
He's actually done a good job.
And,
Craig Ellis is the analyst. He's done a good job. He was long throughout 2018. He had higher price targets. He pivoted to a 170 price target in the fall, which was the right move. He just didn't come back in quick enough. Now, Lam Research, to your point, that's a strong name. It's a $30 billion company. It's always been talked about as a potential takeover target. So if you believe semis are going to continue to work hard, this is one of the better names. I still like the SMH ETF exposure. I think that's one of the best ETFs out there.
Yeah,